this is Sandy Crane the Heart, and I'm back with a bunch of destashes. I think I'm going to do either 2 or 3 videos. I will put in the video description 1 out of 2 or 1 out of 3 videos so you know how many there are. It is US only, PayPal only. I cannot combine boxes except for I have a couple smaller items that I will be able to add to a box. I think I'm selling some dies and a couple stamp sets in another video. Those ones I will be able to maybe cut down on shipping. But the boxes, those are filled, and it's too hard for me to try and combine them. So all of these boxes in this video are going to be $25 shipped. They're shipped in a medium priority flat rate box. So let me show you what is in the first box. Is going to be a bunch of, I believe it's all Stampin' Up! Cardstock. So I was just cleaning out all of my cardstock. A lot of it is brand new, never opened cardstock. So I put everything back in, and then let me show you what else is in this one. $25, just cleaning out so much stuff. I mean, now that I've been home for a while, it just seems like a good time to go through all of my stuff. And it's a constant thing. But I'm cleaning out this one closet I have. So, okay. So also included is brand new Project Life. Still sealed, brand new. This is Amy Tangerine cut and paste. And then we've got this trim. We have these Martha Stewart ribbons, the Halloween, and then this one right here, which has never been used, never opened, brand new. And then we also have this Project Life Princess. These have never been opened, never used. And then I don't think I used any of this. These are Christmas, Noel, they're like little, I don't know, Pinecone Lodge cut-aparts, I guess, or they're like, I don't know, whatever, animals in there. Anyway, that is $25. Okay, so now I'm moving on to, let me put this number 1 on here, in case that matters. Okay, so now I'm moving on to, yikes, just made a mess over here. Oh, so heavy. Box number 1. This is box number 2. And yeah, I cleaned out like all my ribbon, and this is ribbon I've had like forever, and I've never used it. So, and it's beautiful, but I just don't really use a lot of ribbon in my projects anymore like I used to. I use more trim, I think, than ribbon. So let me go ahead and show you what's in this box, but I kind of want to just, some of this ribbon is really, really beautiful. And I really second guess whether I should get rid of it, but the truth is I haven't used it in this long, and I've had it, so it's just, I don't know. Just time. All of this cardstock, a ton of it. All different colored cardstock. This is all Stampin' Up! Cardstock. I believe it's all Stampin' Up! I mean, there might be, I'm doubtful if there's anything other than Stampin' Up! In this box of cardstock. Sorry. I like to put everything back. Makes it easy to pack. Okay, so also included is this, which is a writing hood. This is Stampin' Up! This one is a satin stitched ribbon, and it is 3/8 ribbon, and it's gumball green. Stampin' Up! This one is chocolate chip. I don't know, 1-inch ribbon. This is pomegranate, I believe, 1 15/16. And Aqua Mist, so this is Paper Tray ink. This one is Paper Tray ink Summer Sunrise. And this one is Chocolate Chip Satin Ribbon. And then this one is Paper Tray ink New Leaf. Okay, and that's box number 2. And that one is $25. Box number 3. Okay, so box number 3 has a different selection of Stampin' Up! Cardstock. Lots of it have never been used, never opened. It was just sitting in bins in a closet that I have in my room, which I need to get cleaned out. So it's just time. Okay, also included is the Riding Hood Red. I have this one, which is a Poppy Parade, I believe. Stitched ribbon. Yeah, Poppy Parade. And then this one, which is this striped ribbon, which is Pacific Point. And then this one, which is Rose Red. And this one, which is some kind of yellow that I don't know. Doesn't say, but it's a pretty yellow. And then this one, which is Wild Wasabi. And then this one, which is New Leaf. That's Paper Tray ink. And then this one, which is some kind of orange, Tangerine Tango. Okay, so that's box number 3. It's $25. And then the last box for this video also has a bunch of cardstock, Stampin' Up, 8.5 by 11, packs of cardstock in here that have never been opened to, so brand new cardstock. So we've got Berry Sorbet, which is Paper Tray ink, and then this one, which is Rich Razzleberry. This one, which is Dusty Durango. And this is Alpine. This is Scarlet Jewel, Paper Tray ink. This one is Lemon Tart, Paper Tray ink. This one is Chocolate Chip Satin Ribbon by Stampin' Up. And then this one is Soft Suede. Okay, so if you're interested in any of those, you do need to email me at sweep71@yahoo.com, and then I'll let you know if it's available. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crane with a Heart.